Welcome students to the study circle. This was the question based on the gravitation in the last week, and the question reads like, write the difference between the mass and weight. Before we move on for the answer for this 4-mark question, I would like to say one thing, that mass and weight are seemingly similar quantities. They appear to be the same, but they are not the same. Okay, I repeat, they are not the same. So let's see what are the differences between them. The first most important point is mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. By scalar quantity you mean it has no direction associated as such, but in case of weight or vector, it is always a direction which is also associated with it. Next point is mass of a rigid body is regular everywhere in the universe, while weight of the rigid body alters from place to place, inclines zero at the center of earth. You might be knowing that the shape of the earth is variable. It is not exactly sphere. So at equator it is different, at poles it is different, right? So that's why it varies. Then mass can be resulted by a traditional balance, while weight can be defined as spring balance, by the spring balance, right? Then the unit of mass is kg or gram, and the unit of the weight is Newton. Okay. Then mass can never be zero. Why? Because mass is the quantity of matter contained in the body. Okay. Whereas weight can be zero based on the gravity conditions acting upon it. Okay. Mass does not changes based on the location. Weight changes based on the location depending upon the gravity it experiences. I would like to add one point for this, is that in the case of weightlessness condition, we don't have a feeling of weight. This is because the normal reaction which is exerted on the body because of the surface or floor is absent or zero. Okay. Next point would be mass is measured using an ordinary weighing machine, whereas weight is measured using a spring balance. Okay. So you can note down these points and you can equally use this for your boards also, right? So this is the great difference between the mass and weight. So I repeat again, mass and weight are not the same quantities. They are different, okay, in the their own perspective. Hopefully you understood the answer to this question. Keep in touch for this kind of the videos. Thank you very much.